What is Amazon FBA program? The Amazon FBA program, short for Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers while Amazon takes care of all the logistics, including storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service. This program gives sellers access to Amazon's global distribution network and enables fast, reliable delivery through Prime shipping. It's designed to make selling online easier, more efficient, and scalable for businesses of any size. With the FBA program, sellers simply send their inventory to Amazon's warehouses, and once a customer places an order, Amazon handles the rest. Products enrolled in FBA are also eligible for Amazon Prime, which increases visibility, boosts conversion rates, and improves buyer trust. This automation allows sellers to focus on growing their brand and expanding their product line instead of managing fulfillment tasks manually. Most professional sellers use Helium 10 to make the most of the Amazon FBA program. Helium 10 provides tools for product research, profit tracking, and keyword optimization, helping sellers identify profitable products and manage fees effectively. By combining FBA's fulfillment convenience with Helium 10's analytics power, sellers can build a highly efficient and data-driven e-commerce business. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to optimize your FBA program, track performance, and grow your Amazon business efficiently at no cost.